Welcome to Shinkansen. Bullet train. That's where we are. That's the outside. That's the world. This is the inside the train. I thought I'd show you the toilet because, well, there's people. But you want to see the toilet? That's what you're here for, right? You want to see the door? Oh, I opened the door. Okay. Well, first of all, it's the sink. That's just the sink area. Then there's another sink area right there. That's me. Then we got Western style in here. I think we'll just check that out. Right there. That's what that there. You see that? Kind of like an airplane. Then there's Japanese style. Ain't that cute? Adorable. And then we have just for the jets. And this one's just a how do you do it? So your little sink there, pretty clever, huh? So you can, I guess people can see your back, but they can't see your happy bits. There's a phone over there. That's cool. There's seats. It's cool. Well, that's the Shinkansen and all its places where you can urinate. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the future. Peace. I'll be around. Hopefully you will be around. Yeah, bye-bye.